How are you all doing, guys? I thought before I even say anything, I thought I should come here and ask her. So when we were young and we were going on school, they were called trips. Okay, now they're called excursions. King, we didn't go to good schools, or what was happening? Because even the indemnity forms that they would give for our parents to sign, it would be written, the learners will be taking a trip to this and this. And then now it's excursions. My son and I were having an argument. No, those are called trips. It's like, please look up the meaning of what a trip is. Anyway, good morning. Welcome to a brand new vlog. I go by the name of Linda Dineo. I really hope that you like it here, and I really hope that you decide to stay. So this is me starting a new vlog very early in the morning. The time is 7:06 now. Like I said, and like I always say, I never know where the vlog's gonna go, how it's gonna end. But just starting, it means that we're going somewhere, I get. So this is me starting a new vlog, welcoming you guys, and welcome. This is what I like. Oh, look, fancy. Morning, how are we? Are we good? Yes. It looks dark. No, let me open the windows and the curtains. You come here. Yes. Oh, what was I saying, guys? I've got a sore here. Yo. So what's up here? Anyway, welcome to a vloggy vlog. A not so planned vloggy vlog. Today is a Friday. Yes. Yo guys, wait, I haven't been to the gym I think in 2 weeks. Oh no, the scholar transport, we're still gonna hear, né? But I think the kids are already at school at this time of the day, because normally school goes in at 7:30, né? And now it's 7:25. I'm just thinking, I don't know which one is that. So yes, I was saying I haven't been to the gym in 2 weeks. 2 weeks, and I'm not proud of myself, but circumstances have just been, hindering everything, because we've had funerals for the past 2 weeks and they've all been of close relatives. So yeah. So today it's a Friday. I'm thinking of going to wash my hair, guys. Now I wanna cut my hair because this relaxed. I thought my hair was gonna be slick. I wanna get ready hairstyles, but I don't know. For some reason, I feel like my hair it's not in a way that I thought it would be. I don't know what is it that I'm doing wrong. Cause the first time when I told my hairdresser about it, she said I used okay, I can't mention the product, but she said the product that I used, it's too harsh for my hair type. Okay, we moved, but I haven't relaxed it ever since that time, man. So now I've just been washing. Like I would plait, unplait, and then wash or what. So, but now I'm not happy at all, and I've only got myself to blame. As much as I was tired, and you know what made me get tired of my afro name? Sometimes I would be late. And I will have to comment. So the frustration was just too much, and I just felt like I wanted to explore more hairstyles. That was the whole point. I think I grew out of it. I'm not sure, honestly. It was a fever, and coming to think of it, I don't like it. I really don't like that fever. But I'm trying to rectify it. But I think the only way I can do so is just cut it so that it can grow back into being, then yeah, maybe I can see if I'll turn it into an afro, or I'll continue with a relaxed hair or slick one. So yeah, when I'm really on a Korean kopa, I give it to Good morning. How are we? I'm all good. It's a Saturday. Like I said, that now on Saturdays, well, let me say my Saturdays revolve around my son. It's that time of the Saturday exactly. We are off to his soccer match, and yeah, you know, one of the reasons I don't wanna vlog. Okay, let me lower the vlog. One of the reasons I don't like vlogging at his soccer matches is because of there are a lot of people, guys, like a lot of people, and a banner included. So I don't want to inconvenience anybody. So it's better if I just do like when we at the house, we getting ready and all of that, and when we're on the road. And yeah, you all know that now I'm heading to my son's soccer match. But other than that, I thought I should let you guys know that that's where we're going. This is our Saturday, and I think later on we're going to a friend's bride. I'm gonna have to leave my mood if he's can, because I am. So yeah, but definitely that one I will vlog, because it's mostly people from home around. So I think I'm gonna go. So yes, friends, let's go to the soccer match, and I'll see you when we see each other.
Why?